Can you sue a priest for sharing your secret? So this woman posted on Reddit that she cheated on her husband. One day she felt so guilty about it, she confessed to her priest. The priest took matters into his own hands and told her husband. Now her husband wants her gone and she wants to sue the priest. Also, she lives in Maryland. So priests that share what you tell them during confession can certainly be punished by the church, but there's not really legal precedent for punishment where she lives. In fact, a similar thing happened to a woman in New York. She tried to sue her rabbis for sharing her secret. New York courts said she couldn't do that. What you share with clergy members is privilege, meaning courts can't force them to testify against you. But that doesn't mean they can be sued if they do spill the tea. I don't know what Maryland courts would decide, but it's likely they would agree with the New York ruling. So careful what you tell your priests. Also, maybe just don't cheat in the first place, but that's just me.